How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the we could not detect valid GTA V legacy installation FiveM. So this is a very simple fix. This only means that FiveM cannot find the installation path for the GTA 5 legacy. So the first thing that you actually want to do is to navigate through the downloaded launcher. So for example, if you're launching your GTA from something like Steam, you then want to navigate through Steam, right click on GTA 5 Properties, Installed Files, and then click on the Browse option. So from here, you will be able to actually browse your GTA, and then what you want to do is to copy the file location of this specific location right here, or of this path. I'm using Marvel Rivals only as an example, but in my case, I'm going to head over to the actual installation path of my GTA 5. So I'll just go ahead and after getting the file location of your GTA, you can then head over back to FiveM. And of course, from there, you just want to point FiveM to the right direction. So you could just paste the folder that we just copied. So in here, you just have to make sure that it contains the actual GTA 5 legacy exe, which is the executable file. And basically from there, you are good to go. Just click on GTA 5 legacy, click open, and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.